Did you know that the average person is carrying around 5 to 10 pounds of toxic waste in their gut right now? Shocking, right? What if I told you there's a delicious and natural way to help your body hit the reset button, shed that waste, and unlock a new level of energy? Well, get ready, because today we're diving deep into the juicy world of fruit-based fasting. Welcome back to the channel, Wellness Warriors. If you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or just not your vibrant self, you've come to the right place. We're about to explore one of nature's most powerful cleansing tools: fruit fasting. So what is it exactly? Don't worry, it's not about starving yourself. It's about giving your digestive system a much-needed vacation by consuming only fresh, ripe, water-rich fruits for a set period. Think of it as a gentle, yet incredibly effective, internal spring cleaning. While your body takes a break from processing heavy foods like fats, complex carbs, and proteins, it can finally focus its energy on deep cellular repair and detoxification. This ancient practice is gaining massive popularity for a reason. The results can be truly life-changing. So grab a piece of fruit, get comfortable, and let's explore the incredible benefits you can expect. First up, let's talk about digestion. Your digestive system works tirelessly, 24/7. When we constantly overload it with processed foods, heavy meals, and complex combinations, it gets exhausted. This leads to common issues like bloating, gas, indigestion, and constipation. Fruit, on the other hand, is super easy to digest. It's mostly water, simple sugars for quick energy, and fiber. When you switch to a fruit-only diet, you're essentially giving your gut a spa day. The fiber in fruits acts like a gentle broom, sweeping through your intestinal tract, clearing out old, impacted waste and toxins that have been stuck there for years. This process, known as improving gut motility, not only relieves constipation, but also helps create a healthier environment for your good gut bacteria to thrive. A happy gut means better nutrient absorption, a stronger immune system, and a flatter tummy. Imagine feeling light and free, instead of heavy and bogged down after every meal. That's the power of simplifying your digestion with fruit. Next, let's get into the star of the show: detoxification. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Our liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system work hard to filter these out, but sometimes they get overwhelmed. This is where fruit fasting works its magic.
Fruits, especially those high in water like melons, oranges, and grapes, are incredibly hydrating and alkalizing. An alkaline environment in the body is less hospitable to disease and inflammation. Furthermore, fruits are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids. These powerful compounds neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that cause cellular damage and accelerate aging. The astringent properties of many fruits, like berries and citrus, help to pull toxins and mucus from the tissues and flush them out of your system through your kidneys and bowels. Your body has an innate intelligence to heal itself. A fruit fast simply removes the obstacles and provides the perfect fuel for it to do its job. Benefit number 3 is something we all want more of: radiant, glowing skin. Your skin is your body's largest organ and often reflects what's happening on the inside. Skin issues like acne, eczema, and dullness are frequently linked to a toxic, overloaded system and poor gut health. When your primary detox organs, like the liver and colon, are struggling, your body tries to push toxins out through the skin. A fruit fast directly addresses the root cause. By cleansing your digestive tract and supporting your liver, you reduce the toxic burden that shows up on your face. The high water content in fruit hydrates your skin from the inside out, plumping up cells and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Plus, the abundance of vitamins, especially vitamin C found in citrus, berries, and kiwi, is crucial for collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. So, while you're cleansing your insides, you're also feeding your skin everything it needs to glow. Let's talk about energy levels. It seems counterintuitive, right? How can eating less give you more energy? Well, here's the secret: digesting food is one of the most energy-intensive processes your body performs. Digesting a heavy meal can consume up to 80% of your body's energy. That's why you feel that post-lunch slump. Fruits, however, require very little digestive energy. Their simple sugars are readily absorbed into your bloodstream for a quick, clean fuel source, without the crash you get from refined sugar. When you free up all that digestive energy, your body can redirect it to other places. You'll feel mentally sharper, physically lighter, and more vibrant. This isn't a jittery, caffeine-fueled energy. It's a calm, sustained vitality that comes from a clean and efficient internal system. Many people report feeling more creative, focused, and motivated during and after a fruit fast. And of course, we have to mention weight management. While the primary goal of a fruit fast should be health and detoxification, weight loss is a very common and welcome side effect. This happens for a few reasons. First, you're eliminating processed foods, unhealthy fats, and refined sugars, which are major contributors to weight gain. Second, you're flushing out excess water, weight, and retained waste from your colon. Remember that 5 to 10 pounds of waste we talked about, a lot of that can be cleared out. Third, you're naturally creating a calorie deficit, but in a way that nourishes your body with vitamins, minerals, and hydration. This isn't about starvation, it's about giving your body high-quality, low-calorie nutrition. A fruit fast can also help reset your taste buds and break cravings for unhealthy foods, making it easier to adopt a healthier diet long-term. It's a fantastic kickstart to a sustainable weight management journey. So, you're feeling inspired and ready to try it. Awesome, let's talk about how to start safely. If you're a beginner, don't jump into a week-long fast. Start small. Try a one-day fruit fast, or even just replacing 1 or 2 meals a day with fruit. Mono-mealing, which is eating just one type of fruit per meal, like a big bowl of watermelon or a bunch of grapes, is fantastic for digestion. Always choose ripe, organic, and seasonal fruits whenever possible. Your body will thank you. Before you start, it's a good idea to spend a few days preparing by eating lighter meals. Think salads, smoothies, and steamed vegetables. This makes the transition smoother. During the fast, listen to your body. Rest when you need to. You might experience some detox symptoms like headaches or fatigue as your body purges toxins. This is normal and a sign that it's working. Drink plenty of water to help flush everything out. Coming off the fast is just as important as the fast itself. Reintroduce foods slowly. Start with light salads, smoothies, or steamed veggies for a day or two before moving on to heavier foods. Remember, this journey is about honoring your body and giving it the tools it needs to heal and thrive. Fruit fasting isn't just a diet. It is a profound act of self-love that can reconnect you to your body and to the healing power of nature. You have the ability to feel more alive, vibrant, and energetic than ever before. Trust the process, be gentle with yourself, and prepare to be amazed at what your body can do. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this has inspired you to explore the incredible world of fruit healing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more wellness tips to help you live your most vibrant life. Until next time, stay healthy and stay juicy.